So we're here on your grand opening.
Yes.
And there's a line down the parking lot of all these people lined up for you.
I feel great.
Yeah?
It's nice. I feel supported. I feel like everything looks so nice. And an army of people helped me accomplish it.
Do you remember the first cake you made?
It was a football sheet cake. And I made it for a coworker last minute. Her baker got sick, so nobody could do the cake the last minute. And then I was like, okay, what if I make it for you? And she was like, great, do you bake? And I was like, no, but I like to be creative. And so I went and got all the stuff and stayed up all night. It took me 12 hours to make this sheet cake, and I brought it into work, and I didn't think it was great, and everybody freaked out. And then that's
And they
how
told
it
you to
started.
start a business.
Slowly, more and more people ordered, and then it was people I didn't know. And then I was just miserable in my desk job, so I talked to Kevin about it and kind of got like a maybe, and then I just turned in my 2 weeks, and I told him I would figure it out. And then I started doing pop-up shops, and then I moved into the commercial kitchen. And I worked there 6 months by myself, and all of my friends and family helped me. And then I hired Monica. And then I hired 2 more about 4 months after that. And then I went through a business accelerator program. It was kind of like a scaled down version of Shark Tank. So my friend Megan that you were talking to helped me sketch out what the bakery would look like and the party room and all the stuff we want to do. And I pitched it to everybody, and then I won. And so when I won, I felt like validated, like, okay, I should do it. And then we found this space a month later, and then it's taken this long. And actually, every time I went through something bad, quote unquote bad, or not ideal at the moment, it taught me something. And then I was like, I got back up and went harder the next time. I was like, I'm not going to do that again, and just keep learning.
There were so many times when, like, I definitely supported her throughout the time, but there were so many times I'm like, this is taking over our life. I didn't see the end goal to it, and she did. She knew what she wanted, and she, like, just refused to give up, and we kept growing just in time. Every step of the way, we grew just in time. It was, we need to make this. We can't do that until we grow this. Okay, we better do that, and it just kept happening like that. And now here we are at the grand opening, and it's still surreal to me. It's going great. Like, they're doing a great job inside there. Everybody's prepping, and it's awesome to see Ashley in that element too.